are many places to go in this world. Different kinds of people try to create something new, and wealthy people enjoy the pleasures life has to offer. People suffer from poverty, hunger, and poor health, and here I am, an architect, who is trying to help people create a better way of life by creating a healthy and joyful environment for those who suffer. My purpose in life is to use my values, strengths, and skills to confront challenges through my life path and create positive and real solutions in order to help people in need. Architecture is essential to my purpose in life because it addresses the daily challenges of humanitarian crisis and brings professional design services to needed communities, such as developing new designs for more schools, hospitals, and houses around the world. I came to understand my purpose when I realized that I love to confront challenges because I am always looking to solve problems with positive and real solutions. In addition, one of my strengths as a relator, seeing as I enjoy helping people all the time, trying to solve their problems. There are thousands of people without a house, without education, or even worse, without health. I became an architect to solve these problems so that I can actually have something to offer these people in need. By using my skills, strengths, and values, it helped me to achieve my goals up to this point. Back in 2015, I started my career pathway at Valencia College, going to different campuses for 2 years in order to complete my Associate in Arts degree and to transfer to the University of Central Florida. I took over 69 credits at Valencia, and I had to participate in different expositions in order to be selected for the architecture program. After Valencia College, I got accepted at the University of Central Florida, and after 2 years full of challenges, I acquired my bachelor's degree in architecture. I consider myself a warrior. I am the kind of person who fights and works very hard in order to achieve her goals. Warriors deserve the best, and this is the reason why I got an angel, my boss, Martonio Pinto, to sponsor me to go to school. He covered my education costs for 4 years until I finished my studies at UCF. The final cost of my education was $21,000. Attending Valencia gave me the opportunity to develop a successful education plan through the use of the different resources that Valencia had to offer, such as the Advising Center, Learning Center, and my SLS class with Professor Moore. She inspired me to pursue my dreams in a real way, in the process discovering the steps that I need to follow in order to complete my degree in architecture. Also, working at American Horizons as a realtor gave me the opportunity to discover my professional side. My boss, Martonio Pinto, has been the person who pushed me to go to school and achieve my goals in life. However, the best resource was the opportunity to interview 2 architects from Brazil. They expressed their ideas and feelings with me and helped me to realize where I was going. This advice encouraged me to complete my degree in a successful way. Now, I work as the land and urban planner at the Walt Disney Company. Please understand, there is nothing wrong with the position that I have now, but I am always looking to be better and get more knowledge so I can be ready to start my own project and run my own business. This is the reason why I would love to become the structural architecture design team leader at the Walt Disney Company. While completing my bachelor's degree at the University of Central Florida, I got the opportunity to complete 2 internships. The first internship that I got was with the Evans Group, who has built a reputation over the past 40 years as one of the most talented U.S. architectural firms. I got the opportunity to work for the Evans Group because of my boss, Martonio Pinto. Lancelot America started developing a new project called Summerview Resort, located in Orlando, Florida. I helped the Evans Group in creating, planning, and building new ideas for this fantastic project back then. Also, I remember that I sold over 5 properties at Summerville, which gave me the opportunity to save money and pay for the rest of my education. My second internship was with the Walt Disney Company. I still remember how hard it was to get an internship with this company, but after a lot of effort and hard work, I finally got the chance to become part of this amazing company. Working for the Walt Disney Company allowed me to join the National Council of Architectural Registration Boards, to gain different certifications and also to get my license from the National Council for Interior Design qualification. Following the completion of my bachelor's degree at UCF on December 20, 2019, I became an Imagineer at the Walt Disney Company and worked as a land urban planner until now. While working for the company, I completed my first master's degree of architecture in 2022 at the University of South Florida. The Master of Architecture at USF is fully accredited by the National Architectural Accrediting Board, which gives me until now the opportunity to continue with my education in order to keep my license and certifications and refresh my knowledge every year. Also, I got the opportunity to travel to Barcelona, Spain, to complete my second master's degree in Advanced Architecture at the Institute of Advanced Architecture of Catalonia in 2025. Working for this amazing company gave me unique opportunities such as visiting every Walt Disney company around the world. Walt Disney has more than 42 companies in different cities around the world. Architects are responsible for the process of planning, designing, and constructing buildings and other physical structures. As the land and urban planner at the Walt Disney Company, I am in charge of producing holistic plans for our land and building environments that articulate, preserve, and enable our vision for the greatest development potential of each global resort. I still remember when I got the opportunity to be part of the Star Wars adventure at the Hollywood Studios. That was a unique experience. Also, we're responsible for providing creative production and technical land and urban planning support to the land and urban planning studio and project-specific teams across the Walt Disney Company. In order to become an architect, we have to demonstrate knowledge and proficiency in relevant computer software applications, such as computer graphics, GIS, BIM, and most importantly, the ability to work with the knowledge of industry-proven digital design tools. ESRI, ArcGIS, and Autodesk AutoCAD are mandatory. Moreover, architecture requires a continuous education and advanced studies in computer science. Being part of the Walt Disney Company for more than 6 years created a vision in me to become an expert in the Disney area. Walt Disney World is the happiest place in this world, and this is why I am your best choice, because I would love to acquire more knowledge from the Walt Disney Company and be able to create places for people in need, giving them the happiest place to live. It is all about the magic.
House!